Retired General Henry Muchena declared publicly that Zimbabwe Defense Forces are watching the unfolding political process and that should ZANU-PF become a security threat, the military will advise accordingly. He was not speaking loosely. He was not engaged in bravado. He was articulating in plain language a principle that sits at the very foundation of the Republic's constitutional architecture, that the defense forces of Zimbabwe exist not to save a political party, but to save the nation. When the barracks speaks, that was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. I write not to celebrate General Muchena's remarks as a provocation. I write to contextualize them because in Zimbabwe today, that context is being deliberately obscured by those with the most to lose from clarity. The ZDF does not belong to ZANU-PF. It belongs to Zimbabwe. That distinction is not semantic. It is constitutional, historically, and moral. Section 212 of the Constitution of Zimbabwe is unambiguous. The Zimbabwe Defense Forces exist to defend Zimbabwe, its people, its territorial integrity, and its institutional order. Section 213 vests command of the defense forces in the president, not as a party functionary, but as a head of state and government, a distinction of profound importance. Section 214 goes further. It prohibits members of the defense forces from acting in a partisan manner, furthering the interests of any political party or prejudicing the interests of any political party. That prohibition runs in both directions. The ZDF cannot be weaponized for ZANU-PF, but by the same logic, the moment any political entity, regardless of how long it has governed, begins to conduct itself in ways that destabilize the constitutional order, the defense forces have both a constitutional duty and an institutional obligation to respond. This is not a novel proposition. It is not imported from foreign doctrine. It is written into the supreme law of this land, ratified by the people of Zimbabwe in 2013. Doma developments aripopangwa ine ationa General Muchena varikuya vachiarticulata vachiuya vachiedukata vanhu vasingazivi kuti we must know the truth. Pana comment section medu dzafunguro imo todiva pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musanganisira subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.